When will Establishment Osman Season 5 begin? 2023-2024. Establishment Osman 5th Season. When will begin? New season date. It is wondered when the 5th season of the Establishment Osman series will start. The first information came about when the new season of the series, which made the season finale of the Foundation Osman series in May, will start. The series, which made the 4th season finale on June 25th, will start its 5th season in October 2023.
The Establishment Osman series was signed by Bozdag Film, and the first episode was broadcast on the 20th of November 2019. Metin Gunay is the director of the Establishment Osman series and Mehmet Bozdag writes the screenplay. The Establishment Osman series has been on the screen for 4 years. The audience of the TV series Establishment Osman, which is the continuation of Kurulus Osman, is curious about the date of the new season of the series, which they love to follow. We are adding the information about when the 5th season of the Foundation Osman series will start. The 5th season of the Establishment Osman series will also be broadcast on Etv screens. The Establishment Osman series, which did not leave the first place in the rating on Wednesday evenings, the day it was broadcast, says that I am in this race in the new season. Of course, the Establishment, which makes Etv smile in the ratings, does not leave Osman and has already signed the new season deal. The new season of the Establishment Osman series will be published, but we cannot share the exact date for now. The 5th season of the Establishment Osman series will begin in October 2023. In the second week of October, new seasons of TV series begin. New episodes of the Establishment Osman series can begin in the second week of October. Since this August is very hot, the start of the series will be delayed a little. Establishment Osman series is one of the rare series that continues shooting by returning to the sets in a short time, even though it took a break for a week or two due to the heat. Establishment Osman made the season finale in June, and the new season is expected to start in October. Establishment Osman series was broadcast on days when the vaccine of other series was not broadcast due to the heat, and it did not lose both the rating and the audience to another channel. You can write your expectations and comments about the new season of the Establishment Osman series, which made the season finale, in the comments section below. Will the 5th season of the Organization Osman, which is broadcast on Etv screens on Wednesdays, continue? When will the Organization Osman start in 2023-2024? We will answer your questions in this topic. The Establishment Osman series, which came to the screen with its 130th episode on Wednesday, June 25, 2023, made the season finale. There are questions such as when the 5th season of the Foundation Osman series will be published, will the series continue or will it end? First of all, let's say that the Establishment Osman series has a very high rating rate and will continue for many years. The Establishment Osman series will probably start the 2023-2024 season at the end of September or October. Establishment Osman series, which started about 1 month behind compared to other series, will probably start its 5th season in October 2023. Let's write briefly for those who are wondering if the 4th season finale of the Foundation Osman series is known or in which episode. The season finale of the Establishment Osman series, produced by Mehmet Bozdag, will be broadcast on Wednesday, June 25. It is expected that the series, Organization Osman, will make the season finale in the 130th episode and take a long summer vacation. New players have started to appear in the TV series Establishment Osman, which will be on vacation during the summer months and will be prepared for the 2nd season with the participation of new players. Özge Yöz, who also played the leading role in the daily series, last season, will play in the new season of the series, Organization Osman. What role will Özge Yöz play in Establishment Osman, which attracts attention with her beauty? We will write here later. The Establishment Osman series will continue to appear on Etv screens on Wednesdays. The 5th season of the series will start in October and will fight in a long marathon until the end of May. We congratulate the 5th season of the Establishment Osman series and wish you high-rated episodes. Please write your comments and opinions below.